Hi, I'm Heiko Blair. I think many of you know me. Now, I want to talk about two things actually today, and one of them is the most amazing event which takes place this year for the 20th time in Chicago area. It is organized by Greg Wittstock, the pond guy. This is a really unique event. I was invited last year for the very first time, and there were 1,200 or more people, and I gave two talks. I talked about the terrible destruction of this habitat in aquatic areas of the planet. And I am really amazed because the people were really very, very happy to see things they have never seen before, to see things the world has not shown to anyone. And I have the advantage to have been traveling for more than 50 years and discovering species in more than 200 countries. Almost 7,000 I rediscovered and discovered as new. And at this event, at this Pondemonium, which takes place again this year on the 22nd of August to the 26th of August, I think there's even more people will come. And Greg has invited me again to give two, possibly three talks. In one of the talks, I will show my expeditions from last year. There were 12. And I will talk also about the evolution of freshwater fishes and the biotopes. And it's so important for all of us to really look into the biotopes. This is a very important fact because you have, first of all, Greg Wittstock promoting worldwide the pond, the aqua future, which is close to nature. And I am trying to promote the BIOTOPE Aquarium worldwide for decades. We have started a BIOTOPE Aquarium project, and I have actually donated all my archive to this. I mean, from all the expeditions, from millions of photos, habitats, the biotopes, the fishes, the plants, the invertebrates, everything in there. And we want to create a BIOTOPE Aquarium platform. I mean, to show people, to have them access to all of my expeditions, to all of my photos, my archives, to all of my films, to have information about my conferences worldwide, about the species I discovered, about the plants, about invertebrates, about everything in there. And in order to have this really going on for today's and future generations, we are having a BIOTOPE Aquarium application done, which should be accessible by everyone. But we need to have this to grow and develop and to be perfect. We need fundings. And therefore, Indiegogo is the place where we will have crowdfunding to have this project for today and future generations, for everyone to have really access to what once was on this planet or what still exists, because it's vanishing. It's vanishing in an incredible speed. They're destroying rivers, lakes, and habitats. The pollution is unbelievable on this planet. I hope everyone will help this BIOTOPE Aquarium project, which is running right now, the crowdfunding on Indiegogo. And you should go to it, should see, and should support it, please. This will help everyone.